Hello, welcome everyone. My name is Alfred Lam. I'm the course instructor of Start 3D GIS iOS app development. I am an experienced GIS specialist for more than 12 years, and I would like to share my experience and knowledge here to those who are interested in learning 3D GIS coding for mobile devices. This course is designed to help entry-level GIS mobile developers to create 3D iOS apps using Esri ArcGIS Runtime SDK for iOS version 100.0. If you are new in this area, don't worry. It's not difficult to learn this skill if you can follow the step-by-step video lectures and use the pre-made code from the lecture resources file. After completion of this course, you will be able to deploy 3D maps for your apps, select a base map, and add 3D symbols and text at your preferred locations. This is the demo for this project. You will learn to display a base map in 3D, add a home button for home viewpoint. Then you will learn to switch different base maps with the UI component segmented control. You will learn to add a 3D symbol at a map location as well as a text symbol on the map.